Actually, SMSF offer more transparency. You can see every investment that you have, every dollar. You're not flying blind anymore. The risks would be the normal standard risks that you have in any investments. If you think about investment properties outside SUPA, they usually have the same risks as properties inside SUPA. There are some additional risks that comes with having a property inside a self-managed super fund, for example, or collectibles, things like liquidity risk. So liquidity risk is your ability to meet cash flow or financial obligations of the fund in the future without selling the investment assets. And this, with the right advice, with the right advisor, you'll be able to meet or to manage this risk. So the risk exists in any investments that you have. You'd have different risks. The right thing is, what controls do you have in place to manage this risk? In my opinion, if you can't manage the risk, you don't take it. And that's basically it. So liquidity risk is a risk that can be easily managed with the right approach and the right team behind you.